Okay, hey, welcome to how to create a bio and photo for our website. We're going to be doing this all the time, every trimester with workshop leaders, focus group leaders, journey discipleship coaches, and so on. So, how do you do that? It's very simple. Let me walk you through the steps. For example, on the screen here in my Outlook, Dale Kelsey has emailed me text for his picture. And he says, can you use the picture that we had Evie take for us? Okay, well, let me show you. I want to make it really easy for all of our leaders. They just send me a paragraph, or perhaps send you a paragraph directly to you as an admin. And what do you do for that? Well, the first thing you do is we're going to go ahead and highlight this text in the clipboard. So highlight it, right click, copy. Okay, it's in the clipboard. Now, you got to go to Open Drive or OneDrive under the Journey, and where we want to go is under Forms. In the Forms directory, you'll see at the top here it says Bios. Here is where I've been collecting all of these. Okay, I put them last name, comma, first name, so they're all alphabetized. You see that right here. And a way that I do it that seems to be pretty easy is I just grab well, not a PDF. Let's go ahead and close that out. A Word document. You see Ann Green, Word document. I just grab any one, a Word document. Open that up. And here it is right here. And all I do is use this template that's pre-built and Dale Kelsey. Oops, Kelsey. All right. Now I just click on the photo and delete it. Okay, I highlight this text. Don't want Ann there, I want Dale there. Remember, I've got in the clipboard Dale's stuff, so I'm going to paste Dale's stuff right here. And you see these are paste options here in Word. Okay, and so I'm going to use use destination theme, and so that's why I want it to look like what it was there. And what that means is it's going to retain the the Times New Roman 18 points kind of deal. Okay. So now, introducing Dale Kelly, I can go ahead and get rid of this here, and now I'm just reformatting this text. I need to proofread it. I noticed he's centered that, so I'm going to make that left justified. All right, and then I'm going to proofread it here. You can proofread it by hitting F7 on your keyboard, or do the spell check in Word. And let's just see how Dale did. All right, I hit the pause button there and went through the spell check just to save time in this video, but you get the picture there. So I'm going to close out spell check, top right there in Word, and make sure this is all reformatted and it looks really nice and cleaned up. See, I cleaned it up, left justified it, erased some extra spaces. I corrected all the errors that Dale had in there. And we're good to go. Now, all we need now is this photo. So, many times the photo will come attached to the email, but in this case it didn't. So we've got to go back to find that photo. Where would that be? So let's go back to our OneDrive, the Journey, and let's go to find that photo right here. It just so happens I have an archive of photos under Photos. You see this right here? Photos. Okay, so you click on that. And I did Leadership Photos for 2014. Now, I can help you find those in cases like that, but here's our black and white photos. We took photos of leaders last year. And so we'll just find Dale Kelsey. There he is right there. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and here's a picture of Dale. This is the picture that we want to use. Now we want to insert that into the document, so we'll go back to Word, and what I like to do is go to the very end. This is how I've standardized this. Oops. We'll go back to the very end and insert pictures. Insert a picture. Now we'll go back. Now that we know where that thing lives, we'll go to the Journey. We'll navigate to Photos, right? Okay. It's pretty intuitive. Go right to that directory Leadership Photos 2014, and then we'll find Dale Kelsey. Okay, we've inserted Dale Kelsey. Now it's much too large, so we'll simply just edit that. We'll just shrink that down to a reasonable size. And right up here where it says wrap text, you always want to click tight. And that's going to wrap the text around it. What I like to do is I like to drag it down to the bottom. Okay. And that's still too large. I want them all on one page if possible. And do them like that. You know, about the last paragraph, I want it to kind of hang there, but I don't want it to go to 2 pages. So you see, there it is. Journey Leader Bio, introducing Dale Kelsey. There's all the text. Nice photo right here on the bottom left. The text is wrapping around it, and we kept it to 1 page. Make sense? Now, here's the final step, real important, File, Save As. Remember, this is and green, comma, and .docx. If we click Save, we're going to override and lose and green. So we want to click Save As, okay, and then I'm going to put it in the Bios folder, okay, and then I'm going to call Kelsey, rename that Kelsey Dale. Hit Enter. There we go. Okay, we've got our saved thing. Now, the bio is not done because we want it to be in a PDF format. So the way we do that is we click File, Save As. We've got to save it as a different file type. So we'll go back to that same directory, and under it says Save as Type, instead of a Word document, we want to create a PDF. So you simply save as type and choose PDF and click Save. And watch this. Here it comes. Wait for it. Wait for it. Well, I've got an error here, and that's my Foxit Reader program, but it's saved. It's there. Ignore that. I'll just close that out, but that will save it every single time. So I'm done there. Let me show you where that is. So let me get out of that and backtrack to Forms. There are the bios, alphabetical order, H-I-J-K, Kelsey, Dale. There's the PDF. All right, we're going to stop right there. Brings us right back to where we started with an email from Dale, or perhaps some other leader that I would forward to you. We're going to stop right there, and I'll come back and train you on how to upload those files to the website to post as PDFs on various pages. So thanks for watching.